everybody, it's me, Shag37 here, and today I'm sorry that I didn't upload like yesterday because I had like a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, I have a tutorial because of my Sonic stuff. I have like an extra. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a sonic.exe, a Sonic Boom version, and also a Tails. Just those two. You're gonna need them. If you want them to stay like that forever, you're gonna need a permanent. You're gonna need a permanent marker. But if you want it to be temporary, just get a marker. I use Sharp because I wanted to stay like that forever. So yeah, just use it like that, and then you just like put the Sharpie, like open it up. Okay. So you see this Sonic. Open this Sharpie up and put it in his eyes like that, and on both of them. And if you have some mistakes, it'll be okay if you're doing it in marker. But if you have some mistakes in there, just make it try to look good. And also with the same thing with Tails. Same thing with Tails. I hope you guys like this video. And in the next one, it will be really long, like longer. So yeah, see ya.